successful visit visa application to the United Kingdom. How to submit a successful visit visa application to the United Kingdom. How to submit a successful visit visa application at the British Embassy's High Commissions overseas. How to submit a successful visit visa application. You know, there are so many types of visit visa application. We've got a standard visitor's visa to the United Kingdom. We've got the permitted paid employment visa, that is people coming to the United Kingdom as a representative of a company to install machineries and other gadgets for some companies in this country. They don't need to get a work permit. So what they need to do is to get a visitor's visa that will enable them to engage in a permitted paid engagement. That is what we call permitted paid engagement visitor's visa. We've got the UK visitors visas in transit. We've got the marriage visitor visa, that is people coming to the United Kingdom to get married. You can be granted a visit visa to come to the United Kingdom just to get for the purpose of getting married to your spouse. You will be granted a limited leave visa to get married. On arrival in the United Kingdom, you must get married, and then subsequently you submit your marriage application. We can guide you through on what process, if you're willing to invite your spouse to the United Kingdom or to just for the purpose of marriage. We can represent you and put a proper application. We look at application the way entry clearance officer sees application. We identify weak points of your application. I'm an immigration lawyer, and I'm also an international immigration barrister. So we will know our onions. We can present your case from beginning to the end. Come and see us. And we also have a section called a Chinese tour group. People coming from China, they are allowed to visit the United Kingdom for a limited period. So how do you submit a successful standard visitor's visa application? You need to know what you're coming to do precisely. Okay, you're coming to visit the United Kingdom. You need to submit cogent evidence that you are going to return back to your country of origin. Come and see us. We'll guide you through, and you have a guarantee 97% success rate. If you're presently in the United Kingdom and you're intending to bring your relatives to the United Kingdom on a visit visa, we will guide you on the relevant documents that they need to submit to be granted the visit visa. Come and see us. Our address is down below. We will guide you. We will submit your application on your behalf. We will tell you what they need to do to be successful in their visit visa application. They need to submit that evidence that they will leave the United Kingdom at the end of their visit. This is the area that we will home in on. This is the area that the immigration officers are interested in. Entry clearance officers rather, at British High Commission post. all over the world. If your relatives submit or you submit a visit visa application, they want to know, they are interested in knowing whether you will leave the United Kingdom at the end of your visit. Again, we are a reputable law firm who will guide you. Come and see us, book an appointment with us. Our address is below this video. And another thing, we will only tell you a few of the requirement, the cogent requirement that you need for a successful visit visa application to the United Kingdom. You must show that you are able to support yourself and your dependent during your trip, or someone in the United Kingdom is able to support you. So if you live in the United Kingdom and you need to bring somebody from any part of the world to visit you, either your aunties, your uncles, your friends, your relative, you want to send them an invite to come and visit you in the United Kingdom, we are able to represent you. We'll tell you all the documentation that you need that will suffice for the immigration authorities and the British Post all over the world to give your relative, to grant your relative, your friends, your folks, your aunties, your uncle, the necessary visit visa to visit you in the United Kingdom. We will look at your application, your documentations, we'll fine-tune it, we will submit it on your behalf, we will make sure that you fulfill all the requirements for the grant of the visa. So don't do it yourself. A lot of the refusal rate for visit visa application is very high. I mean, almost 90% of visit visa applicants are being refused by the Home Office. Do you want your relatives' application to be refused, and then you have to make another application? And once refused, it's very, very difficult to get your visa. So come and see us. We would guide you through all the needs, all the things that you need to make a successful visit visa application. Another thing you need to prove is that you have an accommodation ready and waiting for you right here in England, in the UK, whether an hotel accommodation already booked, or whether your your relative that is resident in the United Kingdom have ample accommodation to accommodate you on your visit to the United Kingdom. And I mean ample, underline that ample. It must be sufficient accommodation to accommodate you. So in other words, if your relative that is resident in the United Kingdom has got an accommodation that is insufficient, maybe your relative here in the United Kingdom have a big family and they are presenting a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom accommodation as your place of abode while on visit in the United Kingdom, that would be insufficient. So that is why you need to see a lawyer. You need to book an appointment with us. We will submit your application and you have a very high rate, high prospect of success. We're not promising heaven and earth, but we'll make sure we examine your application before submission to the Home Office or to the entry clearance officer at British High Commission Post abroad. Come and see us, book an appointment with us, but you need to pay a consultation fee. We can see you via Zoom, via Google Meet. We can also see you on a telephone consultation basis.